Have you heard that the VA loan takes forever, or that you'll need perfect credit or 20% down? Well, today we're setting the record straight on all the myths. I am the new Mythbuster. I'm breaking down the biggest VA loan myths that are stopping veterans and active duty members from owning a home, and I'm going to debunk every single one of them with facts. Now, this video is video 11 in our series VA Home Loan 101. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. And if this is your first video, welcome. Now, please do us a favor and hit the subscribe button so that you can easily find the other videos in this series. Well, let's get right into it. Myth number one, you can only use a VA loan once. Well, if you've watched my other videos, you know this is false. This is one of the most common myths. The VA loan is not a one and done benefit. You can use it multiple times throughout your life. You just need to have enough entitlement remaining or restore your full entitlement, which you can do by selling or paying off your previous loan or refinancing or doing a one-time reinstatement. Myth number two, you need a perfect credit score. Wrong. Now, the VA doesn't even set a minimum credit score. Most lenders prefer 580 to 620 or above, but I've seen approvals happen with lower scores depending on your overall file. The VA is far more flexible than most people think. Now, myth number three, VA loans take longer to close. Well, this is another outdated myth. Most VA loans close in the same 30-day timeframes as conventional loans. In fact, I've closed one as fast as 24 days. If your lender knows the VA process and your realtor is on point, like me, right? Delays are rare as long as you're doing your part as well. Myth number four, you can only use your VA loan for one house at a time. Well, if you've seen video number 10, then you know that that's not true. You can have more than one VA loan at a time if you have remaining entitlement. Now, this is helpful for military families who are relocating but keeping their current home as a rental. Myth number five, you need 20% down. This couldn't be more wrong. That's the whole benefit of the VA loan. The VA loan is famous for being a zero down payment option. That's one of its greatest benefits. You can buy a home with no money down and still avoid private mortgage insurance. You'll still have closing costs, so it'll still cost you money. So don't be thinking you can go in there and be like, I got this, baby. Myth number six, VA loans have higher interest rates. Wrong again. VA loans actually tend to have lower average rates than FHA and conventional loans by almost 1/4%. And why? Well, because the VA guarantees a portion of the loan, making it less risky for lenders, which passes the benefit on to you. Myth seven, the VA loan is only for combat veterans. That's a big misconception. You don't need to have served in combat to be eligible. Eligibility is based off of your length of service, duty status, and type of discharge. I have a video previously that goes into all of that. Now, it's not just about combat time. Myth number eight, VA appraisal is just a tough inspection. Wrong again. The VA appraisal is a value check and a basic property condition check. It is not a home inspection. The appraisers are not home inspectors. They're not licensed or certified to be home inspectors. You should always get a separate inspection to look for issues that appraisers won't even see or touch. Myth number nine, you can't buy a fixer-upper. Although partially true, the VA loans require homes to meet minimum property requirements, but you can finance some repairs in with a VA loan renovation loan if the lender offers it. And some minor issues can be repaired before closing. You just got to make sure it has a stove, lockable doors, basic permanent heat, and a few other things. Myth number 10, sellers hate VA loans. This is one of the most frustrating, sometimes outdated thought processes sellers have. VA loans are slow and hard. They're not. Well, if they're well structured, VA loans offer a strong alternative, especially with solid pre-approval. If your agent knows how to present it, there's no reason to reject a VA loan offer. They're actually better than what you might think. Don't let myths keep you from using your earned benefits. The VA loan is one of the most powerful tools for home ownership that we have access to, especially in today's market. So if you're thinking about buying or want a second opinion, I'm here to help you get started. Just hit it in the comments. Let me know what your questions are. I reply to every comment. Now, if you need help navigating the VA loan process, reach out to me. If you aren't in Texas, no worries. I have trusted VA pros in almost every state. So just take advantage of your VA loan and use it to build your wealth.